My dear students, welcome to today's online class. In the previous class, we completed tokens of C++. That is, we completed identifier, keywords or reserved words, and afterwards we discussed constants are also called literals. Right? In constant we have integer constant, float constant, character constant and string constant. Now let us see next identifier, that is, today we are going to discuss next identifier, that is punctuators and operators in C++, right? So before going to discuss punctuators and operators, let us take a small topic called escape sequency. Escape sequency. What is mean by escape sequency? Let us see first escape sequency. In C++, some characters prefixed with a backslash enclosed with a single quote mark are called escape sequency. What is this? Escape sequency means in C++ some character preceded with a backslash with a single quote mark are called escape sequency. For example, in C++, some characters, say small n, some character preceded with the backslash with single quote mark are called escape sequences, right? What is mean by escape sequences? In C++, some character preceded with the backslash means before that character one backslash is there, and that is going to be enclosed with a single quote mark. Such things are called escape sequences. Then next, see what is the use of escape sequency. See here, in C++ some characters preceded with a backslash with a single quote mark are called escape sequency. These escape sequences are normally used as a part of an output statement. These escape sequences are normally used as a part of an output statement and usually define a particular operation. Means why we are going to use these escape sequences means we are going to use especially these escape sequences in the output statement. Because these escape sequences are going to make modification in the output statement. For example, say this is a escape sequence /n. This is one of the escape sequence. This is going to provide a new line means we are going to write one cout statement, welcome to C++ class. Next, afterwards whatever we want print, that must be print in the next line. Means in the first sentence, welcome to the C++ class, afterwards we are going to use this /n. Means this is going to provide cursor to the next line, right? Our aim is to print number of lines one by one. Then in such situations we have to use this /n. So this /n separates sentences. Means after this /n, whatever we are going to print, that is going to be printing in the new line. So like this we are going to use escape sequences, such special characters in the design of output statement. Means whenever we are going to write output statement, in that statements generally we are going to use such escape sequences, right? Some of the commonly used escape sequences in C++ are as follows. let us see some escape sequences which we are going to use commonly while writing C++ program, right? For example, escape sequence, this is the first one, and here purpose. See here, this is the first one. What is mean by escape sequence? A character preceded with a backslash with a single quote mark is called a escape sequence. What is the purpose of escape sequence? It is going to be used in the output statement to alter the output statement, right? So this is the one example. Now I am going to write some escape sequences which are generally going to be used while writing C++ program. For example, first one /n. This is used to provide a new line, and next C /escape single quote /t. What is the purpose of this escape sequence? /t horizontal tab to provide horizontal tab means our aim is to provide some space between two words. For example, in the cout statement, escape sequence space purpose we have to display. Escape sequence afterwards we are putting /t, means that is going to provide one tab space, horizontal tab space between two words. Like this, this /t provides a horizontal tab, it working as a horizontal tab. So now I am going to write some escape sequences. Actually the purpose and uses of that escape sequence is going to be understood to you people when you are going to execute program in the system. Right now take down as it is. So /t provides horizontal tab, and next to escape sequence is /0, that is null character. It indicates null character, means in the last class we discussed every string end with a null character, right? So that null character is indicated by /0. This indicates null character. And next one, fourth one, that is /b. It provides backspace. It provides a backspace. Like this, we have some escape sequences which are going to be used in the design of output, right? So these are the escape sequences. And the next token of C++ is punctuators. Next token of C++ we are going to discuss is punctuators. What is mean by punctuators? Let us see here. In punctuators, it is also called delimiters. Punctuators are, it is also called delimiters. What is mean by punctuators? What is mean by delimiters? Let us see here. It is one of the token of C++ programming. It is a symbol that has a syntactic meaning to the compiler, but it does not specify any operation to yield a value. Some punctuators can be either alone or a combination, and they can be significant to the processor. What he says, what is the punctuators or what is the delimiter means? Of course, punctuators or delimiters are one of the token of C++, means one of the basic element of C++ programming language. Actually, what is mean by punctuators or delimiter means, he says punctuators are the symbols. Punctuators are the symbols that has a special meaning to the compiler. That has a special meaning to the compiler, but that symbol is not going to perform any operation to yield a value. Next comes operator, right? So operator is a symbol that is going to perform some operation and that is going to provide some value, right? So that is the operator. Punctuators means these are also symbols, but these are not going to be used to perform any operation to yield a value, means to give a value. Means why in the C++ program, suppose we have a punctuators, means compiler is going to understand that it is a symbol, and compiler is going to recognize it has some predefined meaning, but it is not going to perform any operation to give value, whereas operator is going to perform some operation. These punctuators are not going to perform any operation to yield a value, right? Whenever punctuator comes, compiler is going to understand just like it is a punctuator and it has some meaning, so that thing it is going to recognize, but it is not going to perform any operation, right? The following symbols are considered as punctuators in C++. Let us see here. Symbol, see what I am writing, commonly used punctuators, right? Commonly used punctuators in C++. Commonly used punctuators in C++. Punctuator is nothing but a symbol. That's why I written here symbol and meaning. Let us see some commonly used punctuators in the C++. First one is this one, this symbol, and second one is ampersand symbol. Third one is semicolon. Fourth one is square bracket. Fifth one is a flower bracket, pair of flower bracket. Sixth one is normal bracket. Seventh one is preprocessor directive, right? See here, so whenever a program has such punctuators, means C++ compiler is going to consider these symbol as punctuators and it is not going to perform any operation. Now let us see the meaning of each symbol, that is each punctuator. See, first one is this symbol, right? Exclamatory symbol. What is the meaning of this symbol? Means used along with equal to, used along with equal to indicate not equal to indicate not equal to. What he says, used along with assignment operator to indicate not equal to, means suppose we have to assign a value to one variable, means for example a is equal to 10, it means we are going to assign value a to 10. Suppose we have to represent a not equal to symbol, means there is no direct not equal to symbol in keyboard. That's why in C++ we are going to write a is not equal to 10. A is not equal to 10. So it means this symbol is a escape sequence. So first one means this is one of the exclamatory symbol, this is one of the escape sequence. Why we are using this symbol means this symbol is used with assignment operator to indicate not equal to, right, to indicate not equal to. Like this, consider a second one, ampersand symbol used to represent address or a location, used to represent address of variable, used to represent address of variable. Suppose A is a variable. See here what I am saying means this is address of ampersand symbol. This is what this is used to represent address of variable. Address of variable means ampersand A we are going to write means this operator, this symbol is going to bring the address of this variable A. So that thing we are going to discuss afterwards. Let us see what is the name of this punctuator and meaning of this punctuator right now. And the next one, third one is semicolon. This semicolon is going to represent statement terminator, means this semicolon is used to separate statements, used to separate statements, means while writing C++ program we are going to write some sentence. So that sentence is ended with semicolon. Every C++ statements are ended with semicolon. That semicolon is nothing but punctuator. This is going to indicates end of the statement. Used to separate statement means that semicolon indicates the end of the C++ statement. And next is square bracket used to represent array subscript, used to represent array subscript, right? Still we are not discussed array topic. When we are going to start to discuss array topic, that concept called as subscript comes. So that subscript is going to be written in this square bracket, right? So that's why used to represent array subscript we are going to use this symbol. So after, in the earlier I said these punctuators may be a single symbol or a pair of symbol, right? So this is a single symbol. Now pair of symbol starts, pair of punctuators start, right? So punctuator may be a single symbol or pair of symbol, right? And this flower bracket indicates what? This flower bracket indicates starting and ending of block of code. Starting and end of block of code. Starting and end of block of code. Suppose we have to group some sentences, means that group is placed within the open flower bracket and closed flower bracket, right? Starting and ending of block of code. And this normal open bracket, closed bracket, that represents function call, used to represent function call, used to represent function call. Means in a C++ we have to say this is a function, means that function must has open bracket and closed bracket. So this open bracket and closed bracket is used to represent a function. For example, I have to create add function, means first I have to write name of the function and preceded with after that name of the function we have to write open flower bracket, open bracket and closed bracket. Suppose this such declaration is there, means this indicates it is a function. That's why this punctuator is used to represent a function call. And the next one is hash symbol is there. It is used to represent a preprocessor directive, right? used to represent preprocessor directive. It is used to represent preprocessor directive. For example, still we are not discussed the structure of C++ program, right? So in the structure of C++ program, first preprocessor directives comes. So if we represent a preprocessor directive means before that directive we have to write this hash symbol. For example, hash include IO stream.h, right? Next, hash include conio.h. So these are the preprocessor directives. To write a preprocessor directive, before that directive a punctuator is preceded, that is called this hash symbol. So why we are using this hash symbol means to represent preprocessor directives in C++ programming, right? So these are the commonly used punctuators in C++, right? And next topic is operators. Next topic is very important, because C++ programming language has so many operators. Now let us see what is mean by operators. See here, next token of C++ is operators, right? So let us see first what is an operator. See here, an operator is a symbol. Once again here symbol comes, right? Punctuator is a symbol, it is not going to perform any operation, right? So here operator means it is also a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific manipulations or operations, such as it may be arithmetical operation or logical operation or relational operation. These operators can be either a unary operator or binary operator or ternary operator, right? See here, in operator, in the study of operator, we have two main terms, that is called operand and expression. These are the commonly used terms in the discussion of operators. Now let us see once again what is mean by operator. Afterwards we are going to discuss operand and expression, right? So what is an operator? He says an operator is one of the token of C++, and especially it is a symbol used to tell the compiler to perform some specific operation or some manipulation, right? What is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform some specific manipulation or operation, right? For example, plus, minus, star, slash, these are the different operators, right? So plus symbol is used to perform additional operation. Minus symbol is used to perform subtraction operation, like this. What is mean by operator means operator is a symbol used in C++ programming language to perform some operation or to perform some manipulation, right? So that is nothing but a operator. Next comes operand. What is an operand? Operand is a variable or value used with the operator to give result, right? So what is an operand? Operand is a variable or a value used in an expression to perform operation to give a result. Now I am going to explain this operator and operands with an example. before that, let us see what is an expression. It is a simple expression is a combination of operands and operator, right? What is an expression? Expression is a, what is an expression? Expression is a combination of operators and operand. See here, what is an expression? Expression is a combination of operands and operator. For example, see here. For example, sum is equal to a plus b. This is what? Example for expression. Example for expression. Right? What is an expression? Expression is a combination of operands and operator. See here, here plus is nothing but operator, right? Plus is nothing but operator. This A and B are called operands. That's why expression is a combination of operands and operator, right? So now this is an expression, right? Expression is a combination of operands and operator. Now let us see what is an operator. What is an operator? Operator is a symbol used with operands to yield some value, right? See here, plus is what? Operand, operator. What is an operator? Operator is a symbol used with operands to give some value, to yield some value, right? This is nothing but operator. What is an operands? Here A and B are operands. What are operands? He says operands are variable or value you combine with operator to give some result, to yield some value. That is nothing but operands. Here A and B are operands. What are operands? Operands are variables or value combined with the operator to give some value. For example, A is 10, B is 10 means after A plus B means 10 plus 10, 20. So that is nothing but resultant value, right? So what is mean by operands? Operands are variable or values combined with operator to give some result, right? So that is nothing but operands. So this is what? Operator, operands and expression. Now let us see the classification of C++ operators, right? The below structure shows classification of operators based on operands. See here, this is a structure of operator. First one is called unary operator. Unary operator, and second one is called binary operator, and third one is called conditional or ternary operator, right? Conditional or ternary operator. See, what is an operator? Operator is a symbol that is going to perform some operation or that is going to manipulate the expression, right? So this operator is mainly classified into three types: unary operator, binary operator, third one conditional operator, or also it is called ternary operator. And how this classification is done, how the classification of operator is done means, classification of operators based on operands. Based on operands means based on operands, operators are classified. Means we are using only one operand means, so that one operand means at that time unary operators are used. Suppose two operands are there means then binary operator is used. Suppose three or more operands are there means then conditional operator is used. So that's why we can say that operator classification is done, operator classification is made on the basis of what? Operands. On the basis of operands means only one operand is there, we have to perform some operation means at that time we are going to use only unary operators, right? So that's why we can say that unary operator is there means we have only one operand, right? Unary operator means only one operand, right? So like this, binary operators are there means we are using binary operator means when we are using binary operator means two operand. If two operands are there means we are going to use any one of the binary operator. Suppose three or more operands are there means if three or more operands are there means at that time we are going to use conditional or it is also called ternary operators. Means depending upon number of operands we are going to classify operators. Suppose we have only one operand means at that time we have to use only unary operators, then only operation is possible. Suppose we have only two operands means then we have to use only binary operator. Suppose we have three operands or more than three operands means we have to use at that time only conditional or ternary operator, right? So on the basis of this operands, on the basis of operands, operator are classified into three types: unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. Now let us see some examples for unary operators. Examples for unary operator ge example andre ampersand, complement, plus plus, minus minus. See here, these are the examples for unary operator. These are the example for unary operator. This is called, on the exclamatory symbol is there, this is called logical not. Logical not. This is called bitwise and. Bitwise and. And this is called complement. This is called complement operator. And the next one is increment operator. Next one is decrement operator. So these are the examples for unary operator. These are the examples for unary operator. And next comes binary. We have number of types. First one, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator, for example, plus, minus, star, slash. These are the arithmetic operators. And modulus operator. Modulus operator. And the next one, relational operator. For example, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, etc. These are the relational operator. Next comes logical operator, logical operators. For example, and, or, that is or and not, right? So these are the logical operator. And next comes bitwise operator. Fourth one, bitwise operator. For example, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise and, bitwise or, not, bitwise not, like this we have bitwise operators. And next comes shorthand operator. Next comes shorthand operators, shorthand operators. And next comes called assignment operator, assignment operator. And the next comes special operator. Special operator means these are what types of binary operators. Means when two operands are there, means at that time we are going to use any one of this binary operator, right? And the next one is conditional operator. It is also called a ternary operator. When it is going to be used, when this conditional operator is used, means when 3 or more than 3 operands are there, at that time conditional operator is going to be used. At that time conditional operator is going to be used, right? So this is what information regarding operators and classification of operators. In the next class, my dear students, we are going to discuss in detail about all of these operators. That is, first we are going to discuss each unary operators. Afterwards we move to binary operator and ternary operators. Thank you, students.